I'm going to show you how to get out of your own head, stop overthinking, and let your natural confidence shine through. How do your feet feel on the ground? This might sound simplistic, but it's incredibly powerful. When you focus on your physical sensations, you pull your energy out of the chaotic thought loops in your head and anchor yourself in the present moment. This is where genuine connection happens. When you're present, you're not worried about the next thing to say, because you're actually listening. You're so afraid of making a mistake that you end up saying nothing at all, which is guaranteed to create an awkward silence. Here's a radical idea. Give yourself permission to be imperfect. Give yourself permission to say something dumb. Seriously? The world won't end. Most of the time, she won't even notice or care. And if she does, it's a great filter. If someone is going to judge you for one slightly awkward sentence, they probably weren't the right person for you anyway. The goal isn't to be a perfect, smooth-talking robot. The goal is to be a real, relatable human. Humans are imperfect. We stumble over our words sometimes. Embracing that imperfection is incredibly freeing. It takes the pressure off and allows you to just be yourself. Let's reframe how you view conversations. Instead of seeing them as a performance or a test that you can pass or fail, see them as a data-gathering mission fueled by curiosity. You're a smart guy, so use that intelligence to be genuinely curious about the other person. What makes them tick? What are they passionate about? What's a story they love to tell? If it goes well, great. If not, there will be another one tomorrow, and the day after that. This lowers the stakes dramatically. This mindset helps you detach from the outcome of any one interaction and focus on the process of connecting with people. Instead, use your mind to build these new habits and mindsets. It's about training your brain to get out of its own way so your authentic, confident self can come through. This isn't an overnight fix, it's a practice. But every time you choose action over analysis, curiosity over performance, and presence over planning, you are rewiring your brain for success. You've got this. Thanks for watching, guys. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building unshakable confidence. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these points you are going to start practicing first. I'll see you in the next one.